You definitely have to give the credentials to your sister, and I can also give the credential to my sister on this part that she was humiliating me to the point where it you know it did affected me a lot, that how, like, she's my own sister and how is she saying all of that. And then that point of time I decided that this is something I have to work on. And
Right.
this is something that I have to work on, because my future depends on this language, to be
Right.
very. Now, English is not just a language; it's a medium for anything you do. In any job you do, English is a very necessary stuff that one has to know. And so yeah, so that point of time I decided, that I have to learn it, I have to understand it, and with my own comfort. And in my own comfort, I did that. I did the understanding. I've gone through books also. I watch movies, English movies, all of that. Just my purpose was not to watch the movie, but to gain vocabulary, all of that. I used to go and check, on Google, that what this word means,
Mm-hmm.
all of that. And this is how, step by step, there's not one thing that I did multiple of things to get to where
Right.
I am today. I was pretty much shy, but
Hmm.
to even converse, even this that I'm conversing with you, confidently. So this was, if I were in, back then, it wouldn't be possible even to converse with anyone. So I'm pretty much confident right now, to be honest, that even I did that thing, all of
Yes.
that, and now I'm here. So yeah, I'm proud
Yes.
of myself.
Same here, I correlate with you. I'm also proud of myself a lot, and it's take a lot time and a lot of hard work. We cannot say only one thing itself. I also do multiple things like watching movie, and same. I don't like to watching movie. Only I watch for gaining vocabulary and understanding English. That's it. I was the person. I never used to watch drama and anything, but these days I do everything for sake of learning English, and that's it.
By the
So
way, do you do something like, you do work or something?
these days I give spoken classes, and yes,
Okay.
I do not do extra things. I run my YouTube channel as well as I'm not sharing my
Very
kids. I
important.
have two sons.
Sorry. Sorry, I
I
didn't hear you.
I have two sons, so I am nurturing them, and yes, I'm working on my communication. Actually, it's need a lot practice. I feel that it's still I am somewhere stucking, so I want to eradicate this. I want to get rid of this problem. Maybe it's take 1 and 2 months yet, but I will do whatever it will need. I'll do hard work, and yes, I do practice a lot every day.
Do you read books, novels?
i I do not read novels because my vocabulary is not that much strong. I will read, but these days I only focus NCRT books. That is my kids book, and some of I take, and I have some stories books. So I try to read only fiction book, not non-fiction. I have one
Okay.
novel, but it is very difficult for read that. Too expensive word, refined vocabulary is there. So go and search again and again. It is tedious. I will read after some time.
What is the what is the latest, slash, what is the recent movie that you have watched?
English.
No, any
and
language.
any language. Actually, there is we have that opportunity. We watch every movie free. But to be honest, I don't like to waste my time. My husband was saying recently one movie was Puspa. My husband was saying let's go, but I didn't go because I said no, this is wasting of time. If I go and waste my time there, so I will watch an English movie in home.
Yeah.
So
No, but no, but I guess you have a purpose. That's why I've not watched Pushpa. But I guess we should also watch multiple language movies. You know, we shouldn't focus on only English, and then it gets monotonous. Then you'll get bored of it.
no, no,
Yeah,
I watch interesting. Like recently, I watch one movie. I don't know that name, but it is South Indian movie. South Indian movie. So it was good movie. So sometime I watch English movie, sometimes South Indian in English language.
I have watched on one movie recently. Like recently, what today only I have finished. I guess yesterday I was watching and I just slept midway, and then morning I again watched it. The part where I slept, I again did that the forwarding thing and all, and then I watched it and it was good. The name of the movie is Mangalwar. Yeah, it's really good.
I will
Yeah,
watch. I will
yeah.
watch. Never go and see their name if there is English movie and I see like character is good. So I try to watch Mangalwar. Okay. Yes, I will
No,
watch.
this is not an English movie. This is South Indian movie, but this is a good movie. You know, and it's a nice movie. It's not. I don't think so. You'll waste your time.
Which language did you
this is
use?
this sounds I use subtitles and Hindi dubbing when the language is not in English, when there is no English subtitle, option. Otherwise, if there is English thing, and then I watch it. But yeah, that depends. Also, some factor depends. Like if it is British accent English, then I watch it on Hindi dubbing or Hindi or English subtitles, because what happens is I can't catch the words that British accent people follow. So I
Right.
follow American accent. So
Mhm.
I'm much more familiar with people who speaks in American accent English. Yeah.
And
So that's the thing.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. So yes, I sometimes I watch because my kids they sit, they just stick with me. Mama, what are you watching? And English movie that is not like that. We watch with our kids.
I think there are much more explicit content in English. When you watch English movies, you have to really lock your doors and watch.
Right. So, so sometime actually, one day I was watching, everybody was sleeping, and my husband came and said, "Hey, क्या कर रही हो? What are you watching? This movie you are watching?" I said, "Don't mind, I'm just watching for English."
Yeah, this is nice. matlab, anything that there are on social handles like Facebook, WhatsApp. There are everything. Meta AI. The thing is that Meta AI uh,
Mhm,
is on everything. You can see on WhatsApp also. If you have WhatsApp, of course you have WhatsApp. So
mhm.
on WhatsApp there is the Meta AI thing, and there
Yeah,
this is a very great thing. This is a very great thing, great feature that has been added on WhatsApp, on Instagram and Facebook. I don't know, but Instagram, WhatsApp, there are Meta AI, and where you
mhm.
can where you can make sentences. Their voice clips you can use even if it's broken. You don't know what you are saying, but still they will make a sentence for you and they will teach you something. So Meta
Right,
AI there on WhatsApp. I think people should use it for their own benefits, like learning English or anything.
right,
Yeah.
right.
So I think Meta AI is important, and and it's very much beneficial, more than important for people who have a purpose, who are seeking purpose. So yeah,
Yes,
for
I
like,
have used Meta AI. One yesterday I was talking to him. Yeah, him. It was man. So actually, one day I watched one video. We should not depend on AI every time. Sometimes we should make our thought as well. So I hello.